Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel JRS Cat. Today we will learn about line. To start anything about line, first let us draw a drawings. Then we will see what we can do with lines. I am going to draw a rectangle. Specify first point. I selected rectangle. Now I want to join this point and this point with a line. Press L on your keyboard and you will get option of line. Press enter. Line is selected. Now specify the first point. You can see I am not getting any point here. To track it, you have to go in the snap cursor intersection. Click on it. It is selected. Now close the option. Now you can see I am able to track the endpoints. I want to join this line. Click on this line and till here. This line. Your line is selected. To escape from line, press escape from your keyboard. This line is selected. Now I want to draw a line from this point to the center of the diagonal. To draw this, you have to again select line, press space on your keyboard to reselect the line. Now specify the first point and bring it near the diagonal line. Now you can see I am unable to track the midpoint. To track midpoint, just click on the snap cursor again and activate the midpoint option. I clicked on midpoint and it is activated. Now bring this line near the diagonal. You can see the midpoint. Midpoint is selected, click on it. A line is drawn from this point to this point. Press escape to exit from the line. Now I want to draw a line from this intersection and perpendicular to this line. To draw a perpendicular line, select the first point as this midpoint and bring it near the line. You can see this is the midpoint, but I want to draw a perpendicular line. Then go to the snap cursor and activate the perpendicular. I activated perpendicular. Now bring it near the line. You can see the midpoint and perpendicular lines are same. Now I want to draw a perpendicular line on this line. Here when I bring it, it shows me perpendicular line. Just click on it, it is perpendicular to the line. To draw a line, click first and then click here. Press escape. Now I want to draw a line from this point to this point and from this point to this point. Press escape to reselect. You can see I am unable to track the endpoints properly. To activate endpoints, click on snap cursor and click on endpoints. Now I will able to snap the endpoints. This is the endpoint of the line. It is selected. Now go to the point where you want to connect it and click. To escape, press escape. Now select another endpoint and join it with the rectangle. Press escape to exit from the line. Now I want to draw a tangent on a curve. To draw tangent, click on the circle. Draw any circle anywhere. I draw it. Now I want to draw a line tangent to this circle from this point. Select line. To select line, press L. Line is selected. Select the first point and you want to draw a tangent. Here you can see I am not getting the tangent option. For this, there are two options. First we see from the object snap. Click on the object snap. You can see the tangent option. Activate tangent option and close it. Now bring the line near to the circle. You can see the tangent option is showing. Click on it. A tangent in draw. To draw another tangent on this circle from this point to this point, deselect the tangent from the object snap cursor. Just deselect the tangent and close it. Select line. Now click for the first point and bring it near to the circle. Now I am unable to get the tangent point on this circle. To get this, press shift on your keyboard and right click on the mouse. You can see I have get to draw a tangent, select tangent. Now bring it near to the circle. You will be able to get the tangent. In this way tangent is drawn. Now I want to draw a line from center of circle and it is horizontal. To select it, first select a line, press escape. Here I am not getting the center point of the circle. Select it from the snap cursor and go on the center. Now I will able to touch the circle, center of the circle. Now to draw a straight line that is at 0 degree or 90 degree, you have to switch on the ortho mode. Here is the ortho mode. I switched it on. Now you can see I am making the line which is only 90 degree. First let us now bring it here. Now I want a line at an angle to 45 degree to this line. Select line and draw a line. You can see ortho mode is on. I cannot draw a line at an angle. To draw a line at an angle, deactivate your ortho mode. I deactivated the ortho mode, and to draw a line at some angle, enter the length of the line. I entered 1500 millimeter. Now press tab to enter the angle. Suppose I want it at an angle of 75 degree. Enter 75 in the box and press enter. This line is now at the 75 degree to this line. Thank you very much guys for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Stay tuned with me for more videos and amazing tricks of the AutoCAD.